Hi, everyone, and welcome to part three of this course for our assessment three. I'm going to go over three different points that I want to point out to you for this particular assessment. One of them is writing about theories, finding the resources about the theories, prevention and relapse. And also motivation to change. All of these are topics in the worksheet here. Theories you can find under the resources in the course room for the assessment three. You can also find them in the reading, the Fetting text reading. It talks about theories also. So make sure you apply an appropriate theory to the case study that you'll be looking at in assessment three. Another thing I want to point out is prevention and relapse. Again, see the resources. There are a bunch of articles about prevention and relapse there. And in particular, see the DeClementi source. And the DeClementi source is about the stages of change. The stages of change is a theory that has been, it's more of a, I guess, a more modern theory or more recent theory about looking at clients and where they are at. In the past, in addictions, we looked at clients where we wanted them to be, and that's where we started. But now we look at where they're actually at, in their ideas about change, and their motivation to change. Where are they? And then we start with our client where they're at. So the stages of change is really a nice foundational theory to use when we're looking at prevention and relapse, and also motivation to change too. Excellent, a tool to use. And motivation to change, there's also the motivational interviewing theory is used, and it's there are plenty of myths in the addictions field, but one particular myth is that a person has to hit rock bottom and has to want to change, before they can, before treatment can work for them. That's not true at all. They do not need to hit rock bottom, and they do not have to have a desire to change. Part of our job as clinicians is to help them and help us understand our client, where they are, what's going on with them. And motivational interviewing is a tool we can use to help them, understand, and help us understand too where they're at and where we should start with them. Because many of our clients are not motivated to change. They come, they're court ordered, for instance, or they're there because of their spouse, their girlfriend, or their families, or their workplace. All these other people want them to change, but they might not be interested in it. So it's up to us, to help the client find the motivation to change. Okay, so those are some things about the assessment three. If you have any questions, contact the tutors, or you can contact me also. I'm happy to help you on any points of the worksheet that you'd like. I'm looking forward to reading your last assessment for the course, and let me know if you have questions. Thank you.